Hey guys, we have here today an Ezcurra C23 slider lock. However, it's classified as a wafer lock on the LPU Belts website. I'm not sure if that's a mistake or if there's a certain element that makes it be considered wafer instead of slider, but slider tracks, and I see sliders inside, so I don't know. This is a blue belt ranked lock, so not a very difficult slider lock. I have partially gutted it before. It's very difficult to completely gut it. I'll show you what I mean. Here, let me put in the key first to show you. Here's the key. This lock was extremely dirty when I gutted it, so I cleaned it up a little bit. Oh, and it also has it has 5 sliders on each side, so 10, and then it has one pin, like one normal pin at the top, which that one binds first for me. Tiny bit of core movement, and that'll start binding the sliders. Just going around feeling for binders. There you go, some core rotation. There you go, some core rotation. There we go. All right, so I failed gutting it last time. Let's see if I can figure it out. Now on camera. Okay, so it has a screw here. That has a screw in there. A little more. Has a little spring here. Just be very careful when you're removing it so it doesn't fly out. Right here. Don't need a follower yet because it's still in the housing. All right, so you can see the sliders here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess there are 9 sliders, not 10. Might depend on the model, but mine apparently has 9. I've seen videos of 10 though. And then from here to remove it, first you have to remove the little pin up top, which should be loose. There it is. So it has the pin right here. Pin right there. And then it has this little thing that pushes on the pin, and it's hollow on one side, which is where the spring falls on. All right, and then now the only thing that should be holding it in, if the pins are in the correct position, like when the key is in, is a little C-clip that's right here that goes around a groove that's in the proximal part of the core. Usually to remove it, all right, because the C-spring is actually actuated by 3 springs that are below it. Normally, you just take it out by just pressing down on it, but I think mine is very gunked up I've seen a couple of videos of it where people just press on it, and since it's spring actuated, it just goes down, and you can press it, or you can remove it with a follower. So I have my follower here. I'm gonna try to press on it. Nope. Just try like this and hope everything doesn't fly out. I don't know if the springs are just gunked up, or I don't know what's not allowing it to pop into its groove to allow the cord to come out. I can very clearly feel the springiness. You see? That's going up and down, that's the springiness. Alright, so what if I go on this side? Let's see if the springiness is there. A little bit less on this side, but I still feel it. And in the middle, more or less. Even less. So this is where I feel the most springiness. So let's see if we can. No, that's not coming out. So, partial good, I guess. This is the Ezcurra C23. 9 sliders, 1 pin.